Hey folks, so in my last video I picked this Wiser lock, which I got from the restore. That was not my only find. I also found these three older locks there, which include a mag lock, Segal lock, and a lock that just has an N on it. Hold that one over to the camera, even though I'm not going to pick it right now. We're going to go with the Segal. This is a lock that I wish I'd picked for the first time on camera, just because it would have been a good example of what happens to a lock when it just sits for a while. I got it open pretty quick, but I didn't know I got it open because it was so gunked up that it took quite a bit of force to turn it. One reason it's a little easier to open at this point is that I'm using a thicker tension wrench. I'm also picking this with one of my homemade half diamonds. And we got a nice quick open there. That's a nice change of pace considering I couldn't find the tension wrench and was trying to pick a different lock. And I'm not going to get into all that right now. Let's grab a... Oh, you're kidding me. Okay, well, something has to keep going wrong, of course. Okay, so I've got a screwdriver here. Let's see if I can loosen these screws up without resetting the lock. One side's alright. That went way better than I was expecting. I need to stop shaking the table. Let's use the key gauge again. We're going to grab the HPC followers. Grab the medium-sized one. Put the lock on its side. Grab a shim because it just seems like a good idea right now. It looks somewhat filed down, so it's not a true cylinder anymore. Okay, I'm assuming these are all going to be standard, but I wanted to take a quick look just in case I got lucky. By lucky, I mean I found a lock that came with non-standard pins. Oh, that's disgusting. Standard. Standard. Whoa. Ricocheted off my hand. Also a standard. That's a spring. That's a standard. Let's put the spring back real quick. Also a standard, nothing special. Fitting looks pretty poor. I think each pin actually gets, they're either the same or they get slightly bigger as they go. Yeah, first pin's the smallest. I think the second two are the same and the last two are the same. They get a little bit bigger as they go. Anyway, thanks for watching, folks. Have a great day. Bye.